Based on the survey I updated the last time, today there's another updated video about it. Okay, so if you have not signed up on this survey yet, you can go under my description and click on the link to sign up on this survey. Alright, so if you just sign up, you navigate through this dashboard, then you can see the available cards which are available surveys. This one we have plus 20 points, we have 50 points, and 50 points again. You saw that it said take survey, share your experience. Okay, so you can see that I have 3 cards. So I will begin with you how you can fill surveys. Okay, so how you feel and qualify for surveys. Alright, before we start, we just click on take survey. So when you take, these customers pay you for taking surveys. Alright, so don't be confused. Okay, you read the terms and conditions. Do you wish to complete a one-time survey and share your information as online outlined above? Then you choose yes, then you next it. Okay, so this is how we fill some of those surveys. Alright, so now you're going to share your rare disease survey. There are about 7,000 different rare diseases that affect 1 in 10 people in the United States. Many, but not all rare diseases are genetic in nature and can be life-threatening or severely impact quality of life. Alright, so you read all these and you start filling the survey. In this survey, we are interested in learning about your experience with 18 different rare diseases. Please make sure to read the following questions closely so we can better understand your experience and match you to the right research opportunities. Alright, as they said, you should make sure to choose appropriately, and you should make sure to read the instruction and the questions carefully so that they can be able to match you to a specific and desired survey specifically for you. Okay, so when filling this thing, just take it as those things are realistic. Okay, because you mustn't be in United States to be filling those surveys, but just act as if you are in the United States. Okay, so let's begin. Have you ever been diagnosed with any of the following rare disease: chronic cough or refractory chronic cough? Choose. Can choose. Alright, let's choose yes. Alright, cystic fibrosis. Choose yes. Then start. You put no for the remaining ones. Okay, you choose no for the remaining ones. Choose no for the remaining ones. Then next it. Alright, choose no for the remaining ones. So these are the few survey. You pretend as, or you behave like you have those things, or like not having it, but you behave like you are in the right position of filling this survey, so that those companies know also that okay, let's bring surveys to this guy or to this particular user, because the more you fill, the more points you get. Have you been diagnosed with any other rare diseases not listed above? No. Good. Then you click on next. Loading rare disease survey. You go through it, you read one after the other. So you say, what type of cough were you diagnosed with? Just choose chronic cough. How old were you when you were diagnosed with a healthcare provider with chronic cough? How old were you? You can choose 24. You can choose 24. Depending on your date of birth. If you are 25 years, you can choose 24, 23, or 22. If you are 80 years, you can choose. You understand? So if you are filling those survey, please be realistic. Alright, so as you can see, how old were you when you were diagnosed with a healthcare provider with cystic fibrosis? Or you can choose 23, fibrous 23, the other one 24, chronic 24. So all those things we are choosing, please be taking note, because they might choose to ask you those questions again. If you feel, if your responses are not constant, they might decide to be like, oh, this survey is not for this particular user. Okay, so be taking note of all this. And it's loading through. All right, you can saw that I've earned a point on it. My point has increased. We were having 3 cards, but now we are left with 2 cards. Okay, so if you find my video interesting, click on the like, subscribe and share it. Okay, so I'll be updating you on more surveys. So let's end it here, but we still have many surveys to fill, but let's end it here. If you have not followed me on my channel, you can go and do that real quick.